Hey guys, here we go. Seems that I got the misfire on cylinder 4 fixed. See if it holds. I replaced the injector. But if you're doing one of these, what you're going to want to do is leave the center nut till last. You've got 1, 2, 3, and then 4 is hidden back here. You'll see it. Now you're going to want to remove this vacuum line. Move the spark plug wires over this way, disconnect this vacuum line, follow it all the way back, disconnect it here, pull here, gently set it aside, do not break the T-joint. And then you want to disconnect your injectors, which, stupid little slide clip thing, push it in, push down, pull, all at the same time. You'll get it figured out. I did. Sometimes you got to use a flathead screwdriver to pop one side of it off, and then they just pull right off. Just make sure you don't lose that clip. And the back ones are fun. There's no ancient secret for that. You just got to figure it out like I did. It's the same scenario, flat tip screwdriver. And just be gentle so you don't break anything. Now this bracket has to come off, goes through the alternator, 15. And then 13 right here, you'll see it going into the supercharger. So I put about 40 miles on it, don't feel a miss anymore. The computer really wasn't picking it up. You could just tell the miss was there. You could stick your hand on the motor, you could feel the misfire. Now I did have a better scanner than mine hooked to it, and it was pointing at cylinder 4, it just wasn't setting a check engine light code for it. Now when I got past, say, 1500 RPMs, the misfire would completely disappear. Under boost, misfire's not there. On the scanner we were using, which is an old MT2500 Snap-on, the misfires completely went away under boost. And anything past 1500. So am I thinking the injector failed over time? Probably. This is a 2000. These are the original injectors. I'll look into doing a whole set of new injectors. I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but I am going to have some fun with this car. So here we go. Let's see if it makes it another week. That's the ongoing joke I got with this car. What's it going to do next?